What's up, YouTube? So I am back today. This video is all about the blonde hair that everyone has been asking me about. But this first part of the video, before I actually start talking about the hair, is basically just my application process when I was trying out Ghost Bond for the first time. I've used Bold Hold and other adhesives before, but I've never tried Ghost Bond, so I just decided to try it out with this new colored wig. I just created a couple dots on my forehead and used the little tool that came with the Ghost Bomb to kind of blend the I'm sorry, the glue out, or not glue it out, but kind of like, what is it called? Smear. Yeah, that's the word. Smear it out and blow dried it on cool like I do regularly with my Got to Be Glued or my Bold Hold. And I basically just carried that method throughout the whole process, laid my baby hairs and all that good stuff. You guys will kind of see the details. You guys know how I apply my wigs, but I just wanted to show you guys the process with the Ghost Bond. So just enjoy this and stay tuned for my true thoughts on this hair. If you don't want to watch the application process, I'll leave a timestamp in the description box telling you guys what time to fast forward to if you guys do not want to see the application process. Alright guys, so I'm back and I've styled the hair. This is the finished look. I'm not really sure if I feel this color on me. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. But I just like curled it with the flat iron a little bit. But I think I kind of want to wear it like straight now that it's curled. But anyways, to the nitty gritty, I did go ahead and try out Ghost Bond for the first time while applying this wig, and it actually works. It's really easy to work with, easier than Bold Hold, and it's not messy, and it works faster. Like, I don't know, I just like this Ghost Bond better than the actual Bold Hold. But this hair is from Yolissa hair. They're mostly known for their 613 hair, but instead of the 613 I tried their 27 blonde hair. 27 is like a color, like, you know how there's 1B, 2, 3, 4, not 3, 4. This is the color 27. So this hair came like this, straight out the box, out the bag. Overall this hair is like really pretty. Only thing is that the knots on the frontal were really thick, so it was harder to pluck it, but I got the job done. But like I said, everything already came this color, so all I literally did was just make the wig and then pluck it and put it on. I didn't bleach any knots, I didn't do any of that, I just applied it. I do have I have 2 bundles of 22 and then 2 bundles of 24, so it is really long. Like, it's curled, but look how far it stretches out. It's probably to my butt, matter of fact. And then I have a 20-inch frontal, and their frontal is very nice, and it stops all the way back here. So what is that? That's probably like a 12, I mean not 12, 13 by 4, but it might be a 13 by 5. It feels like, because the part just seems like it goes back farther than my normal 13 by 4 frontals. But I don't know, I'm kind of like in love with the actual hair, like the hair itself, the way it feels, but I'm not sure if I feel this color on me yet. But I will definitely be back, and I'll be trying the Ghost Bond on another one of my wigs so we can really decide if we really feeling this. But for the first attempt, this Ghost Bond got the job done. I know y'all see me with the little tools that they gave with the Ghost Bond. I don't know what this stuff was supposed to be used for, but I just used it for what I thought it was used for because it didn't have any directions. But yeah, I'll leave Yolissa hairs, all their links and everything in the description box. Yeah, so maybe you guys will see this hair again, and tell me what you think in the comment section. Are you feeling this color on me or no? Okay guys, love you, and I will see you guys in the next one.